Money. Who couldn't benefit from a little more of it? A little extra money can go a long way, whether you're saving for a down payment, planning a wedding, trying to pay off debt, or putting money aside for a rainy day. Your day job may be able to help you pay for the necessities. A side hustle from home, on the other hand, is a game changer that will help your wallet while giving you the freedom you've always desired. Hi, welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, I'm going to talk about a little secret into earning money online. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. So I want to introduce you to this marketplace called Fope. So Fope is an online marketplace that sells photos taken by ordinary photographers with their smartphones, like an iPhone or an Android. So when you upload your photo to the Fope database, it is automatically listed for sale to anyone who wants to buy it for $10. Then boom, if your photo sells, you will receive half of the proceeds or $5. So Fope's actual goal is to provide beautiful photos from around the world that are easily accessible to buyers. So it is made up of a community of truly passionate photographers who want to earn some extra money for their hobby or make a living from it. So even if you do not wish to sell your photographs, you can actually create your own web portfolio. Other Fopers will rate the quality of your shot by leaving feedback on it, like it's awesome or it's cool. There are no upload limits, and you can upload directly from your iOS or Android device using your smartphone. So just keep on clicking and find the best photo you have. So signing up for Fope is a simple process, and I'm here to show you how it's done in 5 simple steps, so stick with me. To create an account, I want you to go to the Fope homepage at first, and I want you to click the sign up button located in the upper right corner. You see there? So if your intention is to sell photos, I want you to choose the photographer option. And I want you to choose the photo buyer option if you want to buy the photos. So if you're a photographer, you can actually download and register the app directly from the App Store or Google Play Store. And once you've downloaded the app, you can create a new account with your email or Facebook account. And boom, you can actually get started. So to get started, I want you to create a username and password. Then you have to verify your email address. We gotta keep it safe. So select the camera button at the bottom of the screen once you've taken or want to take a photo. Give Fope access to your albums, okay? So you'll be asked to provide information about the photo, such as a title, a brief description, and tags. So Fope will actually ask if there are people in your picture, because if there are, you have to take the appropriate steps. If not, your photograph can be purchased for commercial use right away. So to upload the photo, you have to click the checkbox in the corner. See that? And then you must also rate 5 other photos before yours is listed on the marketplace. So wait until your photo sells and you'll get $5 in your Fope account. PayPal is accepted for payments. You may upload as many photos as you wish. The greater the number of photos you have, the more sales and ka-ching you will make. Aside from Fope, you can actually also go to Shutterstock.com. So Shutterstock is a leading stock photo agency that stands out for having one of the largest royalty-free photo collections on the web, as well as providing stock photo subscriptions, image packs on demand at a higher per image rate, a free Shutterstock editor for images, millions of HD stock videos and music tracks, and dedicated editorial content. Just like Fope, you can also sell photos on this website. And Shutterstock is really famous. We always see this on Google when we try to find photos. Are you having a blast right now? Just wanted to check on you. I also wanted to ask if you're interested in getting into this kind of side hustle. You know what? Let me know in the comment section below so that we can talk about it. Actually, the search for free stock photography is not a one and one done affair in which you can simply grab the image you want and be done with it. Sourcing high quality stock content is an ongoing requirement for any designer, blogger, or influencer. These creative professionals require more than a couple of tricks up their sleeves, as well as more than one free stock image site in their bookmarks bar. If that's the case, then you can go to burst.shopify.com. So let me tell you all about Burst. Burst is actually a Shopify-powered free stock photo platform, so it's from Shopify. Thousands of high-resolution royalty-free images shot by their global community of photographers are available in their image library. So Burst was created to give designers, developers, bloggers, and entrepreneurs access to beautiful free stock photography. Their images can be used for a variety of purposes, including your website, blog or online store, school projects, Instagram ads, Facebook posts, desktop backgrounds, client work, and more. All of their images are free to use commercially with no attribution required. So, do you have any concerns about the owners of copyright or trademarks? This is a very common concern when seeing something is for free. Free images are frequently sued for using images downloaded from a website that provides them as free photos. Burst by Shopify, on the other hand, builds itself as a massive resource for non-copyrighted images for online merchants. So these stock photos are free to use on any online store platform or e-commerce marketplace. So how do you download these photos? So when you hover over or click on an image like this, you will see download options for high resolution and low resolution. Low res images are ideal for small web graphics where file sizes must be kept to a minimum. High resolution images are better for presentations, websites, online stores, and other places where quality is very important. You can't have a photo on your website being really bad quality. That would just make other people not like to see it. And there's another alternative, Another alternative is PickWizard.com. So PickWizard is a refreshing source for free stock photos because they focus on the only two things that truly matter when it comes to building a free stock photo library. These two things are quantity and quality. A row of premium tagged images that match the category appears at the top of each category page at PickWizard. So these are royalty-free premium images hosted by Adobe that can be purchased through the Adobe website. So any image downloaded from PickWizard is completely free, as in free. So if you find yourself being charged for something, you've most likely left the site. And while registration is available at the top of the PickWizard homepage, no premium or subscription options are available for purchase, so it's free, alright. The stock photo and video content on the site is organized into a long list of specific categories, each with thousands of images. A well-functioning tag system also allows users to simply type whatever they're looking for into the search bar, and all images with that tag will appear. So downloading images at PickWizard is very simple, but the site's design will try to direct you to DesignWizard, which is PickWizard's sister site and offers online photo editing tools. So when you click on an image, you will be taken to the images page. The download button is located directly beneath the DesignWizard button and will open the image in a new browser window. Then you can select where you want to save the image. With every PickWizard photo download, the user has the option of free photo editing before downloading it. This edit function is built into DesignWizard, a specialized app that incorporates the PickWizard stock content library into an impressive array of instant and online photo editing tools. With this, you can easily download these photos and sell them at Fope or Shutterstock. Then you can earn money out of it. Cha-ching! So now that you know all this information, are you willing to try this new money-making trick? You know what? Comment down below so we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, you can just head on over to our channel to see more from Money Talk. See you!